Yeah, she raised me real good. All because of her, I don't do you like I should. Don't make me get you back to the hood. Don't make me.
Almost got shot today. But then, no, bro had to go fill up his water gun. So I was like, ha, motherfucker, I got you. I don't know about you, but if like I was in a horror movie, bro, I think I'm just not gonna run. Like, bro, I'm dead, dog. This is actually the perfect time for like a serial killer to just come running up on me. Just fucking Freddy or Jason just come up and fucking slit my throat. Or like, no, we don't play no games out here. You know, y'all playing cops and robbers. We playing tag, you know, making passes, you know, putting niggas on ice, you know what I mean? Yo, if you could be any element, I think I might be a wind. That way, when like people like just set up all their shit, I can blow it all over. Okay, y'all, fuck it. Blair Witch Project, bro. Blair Witch Project. What you know about Blair Witch? What you know about that? Huh, bro? What you know? I don't know. I just be out here like fucking, like, I don't know, wrong turn shit or some shit like that. Like, you know, cabin in the woods shit. Like, fucking someone's gonna jump. I think I kind of want to be water, because, like, water goes in some nice places, you know? But I don't know, because, like, if it's going on guys, I think I'd only want to be water that goes on girls, though. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I need it all right now. Last year I had drama, girl, not right now. I would never go and chat what we talking about. You the only one I know can fit it all in the...
That's crazy talk.
That's not crazy talk. This is crazy talk. You know
I've never understood? You text me, you say hello. I reply hello. Then you don't reply! What did I do wrong?
Are you a whale? Because we can hump back at my place.
When you see this sign, sir, you are supposed to stop. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I'm a real nigga. I don't listen to the fucking signs. Fuck that shit, dog. Fuck that shit. So I'm walking. I was like, yo, I'm gonna go get a coffee. Yeah, nigga. Now I'm like, oh, I don't even want a fucking coffee. I don't want that shit. What am I gonna do now? Fuck. I'm just posted on the block at like 5 a.m. What the fuck are you doing? Nigga, I'm out here rapping. Nigga, not scrapping. I almost got fucking hit by a car again. Because, you know, I gotta Snapchat my life. Because, you know, this car almost hit me, dog. That car almost hit me. I swear, this car almost hit me. I'm out here, I don't give a fuck, dog. I'm walking on the street, dog, like, I don't give a fuck. Bro, I'm out here, I don't give a fuck, dog. I'm walking on the street, dog, like, I don't give a fuck. Who the fuck are you? I walk up the street, dog. I don't give a fuck. Yo, the ETs don't want to get coffee. I want to get kush. So, you know, I don't even know if I'm gonna walk here. Fucking walk. I was like, fuck it, yo. I'm just gonna go get a coffee. I looked at the change in my pocket, and I was like, yo, bitch, multiply. Yo, you didn't even hear that. Like, that boomed the play. Fucking coffee. Because, you know, life is just fucking stressful. Go get a fucking coffee right now, because it will make your life better. No, it won't actually, but it will try to. I was like, bruh, you know nothing. Don't tell me shit about the world. She was like, nigga, shut the fuck up. You know I'll fucking bounce your head off the fucking wall. Watch yourself. She was so serious, she was finna give me a concussion, yo. I didn't know if I was gonna wake up today. I thought she was gonna come beat me down in the front yard, but, you know, she let me live today, so I feel blessed, you know, because, you know. Little rabbit, come back! Little rabbit! Little rabbit! Little rabbit, little rabbit, little rabbit, come back. Yo, on the low key, yo, don't let that rabbit hear, but yo, that rabbit was a fucking dick. All he did was run from me. He didn't let me pet him or nothing. The fuck? What did I do to you, rabbit? What did I do? But, you know, I was chilling with, you know, Snap, Crackle, and Pop. It was pretty cool, because, you know, I never chilled with these three all at once. But, you know, we were smoking that good crack, and Crack got it. But I was talking to Crack, and, like, I heard Crack's got some beef with Barney. So I was like, yo, if you got beef with Barney, I got you, dog. We can go lay this out right now. Like, you know, bring two, run two. All I know is there's a beef thing going on between Crack and Pop. I mean, not Crack and Pop. Oh, shit. There might be one, though, between them, too. All I really know, is that there's a beef thing going on between Barney and Crack. And, you know, if you see something on the Flintstones, don't get excited, because, you know, it was meant to happen. I've been walking with this coffee for probably like 10, 15 minutes now. Still have not even taken a fucking drink out of it. What was the point of going to get it? I really don't know. I'm just about to start getting out on my fucking Jewish thing, you know? Just start saving up everything, you know? Have fucking nickels, dimes, quarters, all that shit. $2, $2. I'm just start getting up on my serious saving thing, you know? Save nickels, dimes, quarters, $2, $1. You need $1, nigga? I got $1. You need it? Don't worry. I know there's not a lot of videos. I know. You want more. But I just need to work on some shit, you know? I need to get more videos. In my videos, you see all my videos. Every single video I make, you need sleep. Like, I'm telling you, sleep, because that's what fucking will do to you. Make it fucking crazy. Make it fucking crazy. But on a side note, today, since I was talking about drugs, drugs are bad. You shouldn't do drugs. Kids don't do drugs. Don't ever mess with drugs. Don't do crack. Don't do anything. Like, it's just drugs are always. If you have HIV, stay away from me, please. If you have gonorrhea, anything like that, please stay away from me. I don't want to get any AIDS or nothing. Please, I'm serious. Please. I find it funny, like, you know, how serious these people get. It's like, what the fuck? Are you fucking kidding me, dog? Why'd you call me faggot? People ask me a lot, like, how do you make these videos? And I'm like, I don't know, I don't get a lot of sleep, I'm bored, I'm about to have a mental breakdown, so I think I'm gonna go bath with my favorite toaster, like something, like take your toaster in the shower with you. It is fun. But if you don't know what it's like to bath with your favorite toaster or to shower with your favorite toaster, you should just take it in just to try it. You know, you might enjoy it. It's fun. You'll like it. I honestly think that if like the government or something, some special agency actually looked at my Snapchat, they'd be like, yo, we need to put this nigga down now. He's fucking mental. Like, get it. If they looked at all my stuff, all my social networks, they'd be like, yo, we need to lock this nigga away forever. Throw him off the fucking cliff.
You know I don't fuck around with the bottles. You know I got the shit like role models. You know they told me to buy my own bottle. You know they told me they don't follow. But I got them on the follow. You can't hear me. Cause y'all be hollow. Got the shit with the follow.